Core manufacturing material used. Cold-rolled grain-oriented silicon steel sheets process. Sheets are cut into specific sizes using CNC machines. Laminations are stacked in a step-lap or mitered configuration to reduce losses. The core is clamped tightly using frames or bolts. 2. Winding the coils material used. Copper or aluminum wire process. Low voltage and high voltage windings are made separately on winding machines. Coils are shaped based on transformer design. Insulating materials like pressboard or mylar sheets are inserted between layers. 3. Assembly of core and coil. The windings are carefully mounted on the transformer core. Spacers and insulation are added to maintain proper distance and cooling channels. The entire core and coil assembly is clamped and aligned. For insulation and drying, the assembled unit is dried in a vacuum oven to remove all moisture. Vacuum drying and hot oil circulation ensure high insulation resistance. 5. Tank fabrication material used. Mild steel sheets process. The tank is fabricated using welding, then sandblasted and painted. Radiators, bushings, conservator tanks, and breather pipes are installed. Interior coating is applied for insulation and oil compatibility. 6. Core and coil tanking. The dried core coil assembly is placed inside the tank. Bushings and other components are connected from the outside to the internal winding terminals. 7. Filling with transformer oil. The tank is filled with purified transformer oil under vacuum. Oil serves as both an insulator and coolant. 8. Cooling system installation. Depending on the size, air natural, or oil forced air coolers are attached. Fans and pumps are installed for forced cooling if required. 9. Final assembly. Conservator tanks, buckholes relay, temperature sensors, oil level indicators, and pressure relief valves are fitted. All joints and flanges are sealed. 10. Testing. Each transformer undergoes routine tests like insulation resistance test, turns ratio test, induced voltage, withstand test impedance, and load loss test, no load loss, and current test partial discharge test. 11. Painting and labeling. Final painting is done. Nameplate and rating labels are attached. 12. Packing and dispatch. The transformer is packed using steel framing or wooden casing. Transport restraints are applied to avoid core damage during shipping.